Hi guys, my name is Preeti. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something different. I've been posting a lot of baking related stuff, reviewing my OTG and all of that, and I thought maybe a bit too much of only that because I'm not a baker and I don't want people to get the idea that I'm a baker. That's not what this channel is mainly about. So I thought I'll do a little bit of a diverted topic, and the latest trend that's going around is the Amazon. I got this from Amazon. What is it called? Best Amazon, Amazing Amazon buys, TikTok Amazon buys, or something like that. This video is definitely not sponsored. I bought everything on my own. Okay, so the first thing that I have with me is for all us ladies, and I think even for men. I don't want to gender discriminate on this, but it is this. It's like a anti-chafing thing that you put on your thighs, and it prevents your thighs from rubbing together and chafing. Also, the best thing about is it has pockets. It has pockets so you can keep your phone, you can keep a lip balm and tissue paper and things like that. And it also has these silicone these things to prevent it from sliding down. I think this is super great, especially if you're slightly chubby and you have like bigger thighs and they rub together, and when you wear dresses and skirts and all those things, they rub together and they're really painful. And sometimes the dresses are short, so wearing a shorts inside, or those cycling shorts, it's really not that great. Sometimes you might bend and it might show, and you don't want that it doesn't look nice all the time. So this is a great option because it's super, like, it's made exactly for that part where you get chafing, so it fits perfectly. Also, you get only this you get this only on one size, so this fits me really well, and I have quite thick thighs. I usually wear a size 14, 16, 18 sometimes, so this is perfect for my size. So if you are under size 20 and more than size 6, you can definitely wear this. I think for less than size 6, this might be a bit loose. So I think this is a great buy, and the material is really good quality. Like, it's not those cheap lace things which you just tear. It's really good quality and it's stretchy. I highly recommend this, and it was not even that expensive. All the links, all the prices, sizes, everything will be in the description box. The next amazing item that I got is this scrunchie. Okay, it's not an ordinary scrunchie. It has a zip, you guys. Just look at this. It has a zip, and you can put your lip balm, you can put your house keys, you can keep a small sanitizer, tissue paper, all those things. You definitely can't put your phone unless you have like one of those old Nokia tiny phones, but rest of it you can fill in this, and it's made of this really nice velvet material, and I love it. You don't have to obviously always have to wear it on your hair. You can wear it on your hand, and there are tons of colors and designs in this. And it comes as a pack of 2. So I have this orange one and I have this color, beige color. The others were like polka dot, pinks, blues and all. I just thought this velvet looked really nice. Also, I feel like the velvet one is better stitched. The quality is a little better. The zip is a little better. From the pictures of the others, it looked like it was made of some polyester thin material, which I thought would tear over a period of time. This one is slightly thicker and made better. So this is an amazing find. I've seen this in international Amazon hauls. I never saw this in any of the Indian hauls, so I could be totally wrong, but I found this after just randomly searching, and I found it, so I thought this is super useful. The next item that I have is this anti-chafing balm from this company called Skin Elements. Anti-chafing balm, sweat resistant, 12-hour protection, 100% vegan, all those things. And it is for $5.99. I don't think I paid $5.99 for this. This was definitely cheaper on Amazon, but honestly this doesn't really work that well. I did not find it to be useful, and I didn't even wear it for 12 hours. I wore it for like 3 or 4 hours. And the good thing about it is it's not like one of those slimy, greasy Vaseline kind of things. It's got a matte finish, and it doesn't feel like weird and gooey and slimy down there. So that's the only good thing. But in terms of anti-chafing, I feel like after 3 hours you'd have to reapply this. So I mean, I would pass on this and just use baby powder or something else. The next item that I have is this beautiful, cute little sling bag. It's this, it says port travel design on it. It's obviously brandless. I mean, it was just on Amazon. It has one pocket at the back. It has one like huge pouch in the center, and that is it. And it has these huge long sling things, and it is connected by this okay, there's no focus on my thing. Anyways, and the hardware is all gold. I really like this. It's really sleek and very comfortable. The material is great. I think I paid like 400 or 500 for this. It is really good for this material. I mean, H&M sells worse material than, and they charge double for their bags. So from that point of view, this is great. The material is great. There was another color, red color in this, and I picked this one because this is a color that I don't have, and I really like this lavender, onion pink kind of a color. So this was it. The other thing that I have are these set of clips. These are the long black clips, and these are the small silver clips. So this is how it looks. Yeah. So these are basically used to train your curls to like make sure they fall a certain way. If you are following a curly girl method, or if you are somebody who has wavy curly kind of hair, you know what I'm talking about, because if you just leave your hair, sometimes they just dry out a certain way and then you can't really set it. So when your hair is wet or damp, that time you sort of clip it in certain way so that it falls this way. That's why they use it. It was a great deal. It really is useful. Today also I've used it. I took bath last night. I washed my hair last night and I used them to train my waves. So that's why you can see it falling this way, and it looks kind of nice, and I really think it works. Clipping really works. So if you're looking for something, this is great. The reason why I'm showing that is actually because there are many sellers selling these clips. Okay, like if you type these kind of clips, you will find the same exact looking thing by different sellers. So the thing is, it's confusing to which seller to choose, because many of them complain that it says a pack of 50 but they only got 30 or something like that. So it's very difficult to see, like, to find out which seller is genuine, who is using good material and not just something randomly. That's the reason why I'm showing you this, because if you're looking for something like this seller that I bought it from seems to be selling like good kind of clips, so you can buy it from there. The other most important thing that I got are these wipes. Okay, so they are alcohol wipes. These are basically what they use in those phone shops to clean the screen, or when they're giving you some injection or taking your blood, they usually use it to swab on that place. This is what that is. So it comes in this individual swab sachets kind of thing. You just tear it and you use it, and then you just dispose it. I think this is very helpful, assuming the current situations where we're always trying to keep things clean and sanitize, and this is really easy to just carry in your pocket, especially if you're going to a mall, going somewhere out, and you've been touching your phone and things like that. It's better to just wipe it off when you enter the house so that you're not carrying anything inside. Next thing that I wanted to show you guys is this bed sheet. Like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. This color, okay, the color is getting slightly washed out on the camera. I don't know for what reason. It's actually a very bright yellow. I'll try to take a picture of this and upload it alongside so that you get a better idea of the color. But this is a single bed sheet that I got for like maybe 250 rupees or something. It is amazing. It is it's some random brand, okay, but the material is so good. Okay, it's thick, it's nice, it's got that very soft satiny kind of finish, but it's not satin. But it's great. It looks great in the living room, especially with this kind of yellow lighting and these green plants and all that. It really stands out, makes the room really vibrant. So I highly recommend this. I'll most probably get the same one for my bedroom, which is a double bed size. But I highly recommend it, and it was really affordable. Yeah, 250 rupees for this quality of bed sheet. I think it's great. The next item that I have is another bag. This is the fanny pack kind of a thing. Okay, it comes with this clasp, this kind of clasp. It's adjustable, and it comes with one pocket in the front, which is like this, and it comes with a zip pocket like this. to keep your phone and stuff like that. And it's got this mesh thing at the back here. Okay, and it's quite stretchy, right? So I find this to be very useful when I'm going for a walk or just I'm going where I don't want to carry my bag. And I actually wore it today. I went for a really long walk. I think we walked for almost 2 to 3 hours, and I was wearing it the whole time, and it was very comfortable. It did not feel like I was wearing something and it was restricting me. Nothing. I have a waist size. I was actually wearing it lower on my hips, and my hip size is around 40, 42, I don't know. And it was super comfortable. It was not digging into my skin. It was not making me feel like, what is this? What am I wearing? Kind of, I want to remove it. Definitely none of those. It was very comfortable. I highly recommend it. Really useful. The next thing that I have is this game called Uno Flip. You guys, this game is so much fun to play. If you play Uno or if you like card games, you should definitely get this. Uno Flip is basically like, it's got two sides to it. Okay, let me just show you one card so that you get an idea of what it is. So it's got a light side, which is like a very regular Uno card, and when you flip it, it's got a dark side to it. So the dark side has like higher penalties, like you have to draw 5 cards, or you have to draw a card. You have to keep drawing from the pile till you get a certain card. So things like that, and it's really fun. It's like giving Uno that, extra adult like play to it, because Uno sometimes gets really like monotonous and very kiddish. So if you want to like jazz up Uno a bit, this is a perfect game. It is super fun. We've been playing it a lot. The next few items that I want to talk about are like clothing items, which I got from Amazon. They are Amazon brand itself. Top by Amazon. Okay, it's wrinkly because I just washed it and I did not have time to iron it. So this is how it looks, the print. It's an off-shoulder top. Okay, and this is how the sleeves are. Can I show it better? What? Okay, it's by the brand Symbol. Size large. L fits me really well. The only thing is the shoulder, the elastic things, they are a bit loose. So when you do this or this, it is going to ride up and down. So it's not like secure. But other than that, it's a really good fit. It's comfortable. It's made of this really nice rayon material. So it's cool. It keeps you comfortable. The other thing that I have for you guys is this nightwear shirt by Amazon brand. I think what is this called? Eden and Ivy. Size XL. It's got like this cherry design here, and it's just plain black t-shirt with like these kind of sleeves. Okay, size XL is a little big on me, but I don't mind it because it's sleepwear. I want to be comfortable. The sleeves come up to my elbow, just like near my elbow, and it's quite comfortable. And it's not a very soft material. Let me just tell you that this feels like very like mediocre cotton kind of a thing, not that great. But it was a set of 2. I have the other one has gone for washing. It is a peach color top that says Midnight Snacks on it. That's also pretty cool. It was a set of 2 for I think 300 rupees. They were having a sale going on. The original price is around 500 or something, but on the sale they had 2 for 300 or something. So if they come up with a sale again and you're looking for some cheap home clothes, definitely consider it. The next item that I have for you guys is this jacket. It's a plain black jacket which has sleeves mein ye aisa white wala line, and it is by this brand called Fabricon size L. It's in size L, and it has these kind of collar which you can pull it up and you can zip the whole thing up also. This is super comfy, and it's that kind of fit where it's like sort of fitted and tighter on the torso, but it's loose on the sleeves. So basically it's meant for people who don't want to zip it up. Actually, it's just for you to just wear it like an open jacket, and the sleeves are loose, so it's very comfortable, especially if you're if you have bigger arms, or if you're not very comfortable with tight things in your arms. This is super comfortable. It's made of this really comfy sweatshirt material, and inside is this like a sweatshirt material, but it is not fleece. So very comfortable, highly recommend it. It was not very expensive if you're looking for a jacket that's comfortable. And it is cropped on normal people, like people, those models who are like 5'8", unke liye it's like normal, unke liye it's cropped, but for me it's like standard. It comes up to my hip, exactly where I want it to. Last thing that I want to talk to you guys about, which is not like a big amazing product. It's basically this Love Beauty and Planet ka lotion. The only thing I want to say about this is it talks so much about it being vegan and cruelty free, no parabens, no silicones, no dyes, no guilt, ethically sourced, ye wo sab. All of that is fine. It's just that the fragrance on this is so strong, and it's saying coconut water with mimosa flower. Okay, mimosa flower is basically the touch me not plant, which is chui mui. Okay, I've never smelled the flower, so I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. It definitely doesn't smell like coconut. Like maybe there's like 5% hint of coconut somewhere, but majority of it is some really strong fragrance. It's definitely artificial. It does not smell anything like actual coconut, or I can't say about mimosa flower, but definitely does smells nothing like actual coconut. But it's so artificial, and it gives me an allergy because of the smell. The cream is fine. It's only when I put it on my hands or anywhere on my body, and this fragrance enters my nose, I start getting this itchiness in my nose, and I keep feeling the need to like rub my nose, and it's very very like irritating. So I don't understand if it's made of natural fragrances. First of all, the fragrance should not be like this. Like we've all used coconut oil, coconut, things in the kitchen, so we know how mild and mellow the coconut smell is. So this one's like way off. So I don't know how far it's like ethically actually coconut and mimosa flower, but definitely if you have a sensitive nose, I would not recommend this for you. One more thing I totally forgot to tell you guys about. So when I ordered clothes for myself, these jacket and the sleepwear and all of that, I also ordered few things for my husband. I picked up a pair of shorts for him, and I picked up a t-shirt. I do not have it with me because it's gone for wash again, but I will put the picture on the screen, and I will also mention the size and the price and all of that. But my husband usually wears a size 38-40 waist pants, formal pants, and this he bought, I think, XL or double XL. Fits him perfectly, very comfortable, very soft. Is that comfortable soft cotton material. Soft cotton material. It's really comfy. He really loves it, and he's all about comfort. So if you guys are looking, I would suggest that I'm gonna buy those next time because they were really comfortable. So if you or your spouse or your friend, boyfriend, whatever is looking for comfortable, cheap homeware clothes, this is a very good option to consider it. The next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is a book recommendation. It is a book by Rujita Duvekar, who is like this celebrity nutritionist, fitness kind of a person, and she has written this book about PCOD. She has written many books actually. I picked up the one with PCOD because I have PCOD and I wanted to like see what the book has, because a lot of people have read it and they have actually liked the book. So I wanted to know what it is about. So for those who have PCOD and who are in that space where they don't know what to do with the whole thing, like what it is, what the science behind it is, what you should be doing, because every gynecologist or every doctor, the first thing they're going to say is you need to lose weight. But the problem with PCOD is it does not allow you to lose weight that easily. Okay, so like you're stuck, you're in this weird place, you're stuck, you're not losing weight, your PCOD is just getting worse, it's not getting better, or it's just like the same thing. So this book is good when you want that sense of direction. You want to know what is it that's happening, how do I go about it, because the thing is, when you search on the internet, definitely the points that are written in the book, you'll find it somewhere on the internet. It's not like unique stuff, but on the internet there are so many things that when you start reading one article, you go to the other, you go to another, and then there's just so much information that you don't know what to process, you don't know what to start with, and you're just back to square one with all this information around you. So if you're someone who wants that ki, okay, I have it, ab main kya karu, like how do I lose weight now, because it's not clearly not happening. We've all tried, with all of us with PCOD, we have tried every single thing that we can. So when we still stuck, sometimes we're just stuck in square one. So if you are in that situation, I would highly recommend you read the book, because it's not a typical self-help book where it's like, what is PCOD, then answer. How do you get rid of it? Answer. Point one, point two. ऐसा नहीं है. She's written it in a very relatable format where she talks about her clients and what mistakes they've done. She gives examples, real life examples and things like that. So there are many times when you feel ki, Arey, I've been doing this my whole life. No wonder I'm not losing weight. I should have actually done this. And she does this she does these amazing things in the book where she's shown the actual diet chart and things like that which she has given to her clients, and she's shown that even after following that, sometimes they don't lose weight. What is happening? How do they work around that? So there are many things like that which make the book very interesting. They give you some sort of a start point ki, okay, how do I go about this? Okay, I'm not saying you will lose weight after reading this book. The book doesn't even claim that. It's just to help you understand where to start. Okay, and thing is, everyone's PCOD is very different. Okay, what I have, my symptoms, my things that trigger PCOD, that things that don't, are very different from yours. So if you are looking for some direction regarding this, it's a great book. I usually don't buy and read self-help books, and I don't even recommend it to anyone because you can find it on the internet. But this one book, I feel like it helped me to get to a point where I'm like, okay, I have some sense of direction, and it has helped me change my lifestyle to a certain extent, to understand what to eat, what not to eat, little bit, So definitely I would recommend it, and hopefully it helps you the way it has helped me, or maybe more. Alright guys, so that was it for today's haul. I have so many things from Amazon because honestly, what else do I do in the lockdown, right? We're just sitting at home. I'm looking at every single room and I'm like, यहाँ पे कुछ कर सकते हैं, यहाँ के लिए कुछ लेना चाहिए. And I just go on the online and I see what people are buying, and I want to buy something like that for myself. And sometimes I find things which I feel like, okay, not many people might know about this. I definitely want to show it. So that's why I'm making these kind of videos. If you found this video helpful and even if you don't want, I'll still make videos, because I like it. But if you found this useful, please do let me know. It would mean a lot to me. Do leave me a comment. Do let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. And if you found something similar, something better, or anything else, if you guys found and you feel like not many people know about it, please let me know. I'll definitely buy it. I'm all about it. So I will see you guys again very soon. Until then, bye.